How to fix Snapchat not letting you make a new account. If you're facing an issue where you try to create a new account of Snapchat and it's not letting you, there could be a few reasons to that. The first and the most common reason could be that Snapchat is simply facing some kind of issues on its system. Now the only way that this can be solved is by Snapchat themselves. So what you need to do is you need to wait out a couple of hours before Snapchat fixes this issue, and you can try creating an account then. Pretty much you should be able to create one without having any issues. Now the second thing that you can do is you can try to update the app of Snapchat. Open up your Play Store and then search for Snapchat. Most of the time Snapchat causes these kind of issues because there are some kind of bugs in its system. So you can tap on update, and updating helps to remove any kinds of bugs which may be causing that problem. Now the last thing that you can do is you can try to create an account using your desktop or your PCs. Snapchat is now also available on website, so you can try to create an account from there, and you should be pretty much be able to create an account without having any issues. So one of these steps should help you in fixing that problem that you're facing. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. And that's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.